Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I will make a custom order from Gabbi. Okay, so because Gabbi told me the cover she wants is to be a gift to her husband, and her husband is a police, so she want me to make a special custom like this. Is a dark line leather and with a blue belt on the cover, and also she want me to list on the name of her husband's name here, so it will be a very unique birthday gift to her husband. So I'm just can't wait to make it, and wish it will turn out very beautiful, and Gabbi and McKenna will also very love it. Okay, so let's go start making now. See you later. Hi guys, I'm back, and let's see how it turns out. It's just a super unique new design. Yeah, we can see here. Yes, it's a belt with the name on the cover, and because I make this belt to be very thin leather, so even you are writing, it just doesn't bother you when you're writing. So it's really good design on the new on this new belt. Yes, I really love it. Yes, and because McKenna, he is a police officer, and so I think maybe he has a lot of the paper need to sign or something. So I add to him two elastic strings here, and open up sectorial pocket. Yes. Yeah, because I am a man, I know we are very lazy. We are very lazy to slide the notebook cover into each side. So I leave one pocket here to be open, and one side just to holding his notebook cover. Yes. And I just love that spine. I think this will be very popular in my shop, because I know you guys, if you see this, you will like to add this one to your notebook too. Okay, so we can see the dark line with the rimmers letters in the blue, and let's just super match, and especially to stitch on the dark blue thread, so it just help all the design very symmetry. Yes, they are just beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so let you guys see close. Yes, very beautiful. And I'm so thankful for Gabbi, because she provided me this idea, and I just make this idea to be true, and it just comes out and very unique and very beautiful. Okay, so wish you guys will love the video today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.